Welcome back to my channel, A Monk in Cloud. So, this is a simple video or a short video on the recent giveaway that I'm giving out on my channel. So, if you do not know about the giveaway, this is just going to be an explanation to the giveaway, right? So, I'm absolutely overwhelmed by the amount of love and support that I have received on my YouTube channel. So, as a simple token of appreciation, I'm excited to announce that I'll be giving out two AWS $100 credits to two lucky subscribers. I would not say two lucky subscribers or the two subscribers who are really working towards getting upskilled in the area of cloud and DevOps, right? So AWS is a powerful cloud computing platform that can help you with everything from data storage to application deployment. With these credits, you can explore that AWS has to offer, and you can use this for you building your projects or do whatever you want. For example, you're getting certified, so you can use this to get your hands on, right? So all you have to do is three things. One is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is an obvious thing, right? So every giveaway has that intention. Second is to leave a comment sharing how AWS could help you in your current or future projects. So you can either comment in this community post, right? So I've written a community post here. You can just click on this comment button and you can comment over here, or you can also drop a comment to this particular video that will be on this channel, right? So, and the third thing, as I'm going to communicate the winners or everything, the communication regarding these credits goes over an email. So I want you to fill a Google form. So the link will be provided here. I will also make sure to provide the link in the description. So all you have to do is click on that link and the same content here. So all you have to do is click on this next, and you will have to provide these details. So you have to fill out your name, email address, and describe how AWS can help you, right? Or you can also describe how you are planning to use this $100 credit, right? So don't worry, I'm not going to spam you with any marketing emails or such. So enter your valid email address, because I'll be sending out the communication over an email. If I don't get a reply back, so I will pass on this credit to another person who deserves, right? So make sure you're providing the right email address, and I'm very serious about security and privacy, so I'm not going to spam you with any marketing emails, right? So that is another disclaimer. So that is all you have to do, and I will be selecting winners randomly, and I will announce the winners once we hit 3,000 subscribers on this channel. Why 3,000, you might ask me? So I am very sort of a number based guy, so I would like to keep things I would like to remember things with a number. So when I hit 3,000, I'll remember I gave away $200 credits, like that. There are a lot of giveaways in the coming future. I'm not expecting anything in return, but I struggled a lot while I was getting started with AWS, right? So I exhausted my free tier account, and you might tell me that you could have created another one and practiced it, but I don't want to do that, because I want to keep myself, I want to keep my account safe and secure. Like, I want to use only one account, so where I can store everything. So my entire website and everything, the DNS and everything is configured in one account, so I want to preserve that account. So I was facing this issue. Now I have around I have good credits in my account, and I thought, like, things that I face should not be with other people. So I'm giving out this credits to you. You can also, if you're really interested, just fill out these things and I'll be giving out to you guys, right? So the credits will be delivered over an email, and you can be used to to run any AWS services or products, right? So it is not like a free tier account. It is not like you will have to spin up only T2.micro instance. No, you can use this AWS credits for whatever you want, right? So there were a few restrictions on the free tier account, right? So that is not going to be the case with this. And I'm really thankful for your incredible support, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you will be accomplishing with AWS and DevOps, right? So good luck to everyone who enters, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.